Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Just Markets to MT5 in 2026. For that, first of all, you need to download and install the Just Market application and the MT5 application on your device. You can also access Just Markets with the help of your web browser. So once you have done that, you need to log in here with the help of your login credentials. You are going to see your Just Markets account like this one. Now here when you tap on the option of more, you are going to see your MT5 login credentials there. So you need to copy the server first. After that, simply open your MT5 application. Now tap on the option of add trading account. Over here in the search bar, you just have to simply search for the same server which you have copied from your Just Market application. After that, when you are able to find the server here in the list, simply tap on it. After that, you just have to go back to your Just Markets account. From there, you need to copy the login ID first. After that, you need to paste that login ID over here. Then again, you need to go back to Just Market account, and from there, you need to copy the password that is associated with your MT5 account. After that, you need to copy the password from there. Then you need to simply paste it over here. Then tap on the option of login. So this way you will be able to connect your Just Market account to MT5 in 2026. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.